Welcome to LyricPad 3. In this video we're going to go over the basics of using LyricPad. This is the first screen you will see when LyricPad opens. LyricPad is a task-driven app. So on the main screen you have buttons for the create mode and performance mode. If you're planning on editing your database and maintaining your files, editing songs and creating set lists, then the place to go would be create mode. If you're looking at performing songs or practicing in your jam room or anything like that, then performance mode is where you want to go. In this case, we'll go to performance mode. When it first opens, it asks if you wish to load a set list. As we're just going through the basics at the moment, we are going to ignore set lists and just use it in the most basic format, so we'll press no. Now we're in performance mode. As you can see, there is not much on the screen at all. Down on our bottom right, we have three buttons. One is to change to the next song, one is to add a song, and one is to reload the current song. For the moment, we will add a song. In the add song screen, we've got a variety of ways that we can select our song from our song list. We can use a normal list. We can filter by first letter, including sub-filtering into like A to C groups. We can sort by genre or by artist. We can sort by genre, and we can sort by categories. We can also type in a name. And select it that way. In this case, and we can just add that now. So you can see that the song is on the screen. The song timer has started, so we have a start delay, then a count in, and then the actual song will start playing. Now in this particular case, it has a backing track which has commenced playing as well. We'll pause that too, so that it's not annoying us. Now on the screen at the moment, you can see some other graphical elements. We have the backing track bar down at the bottom. We have the metronome. We have the timer. Up the very top, we have the next song display. All of these can be turned off, changed in size, changed in position, and in some cases changed in how they look as well. Other controls are accessible on the performance mode screen by long pressing on the screen. When you long press on the screen, the slide out bars on either side will appear, and then if they are closed, after 5 seconds they will disappear. We can open them to show the controls on the left and on the right. The controls on the left toggle the different graphical user elements, such as the MP3 player, or the metronome, the side view, which isn't on this particular song, the buttons, etc., etc. You can also access the editor via the edit button. In the right-hand side, it shows our current playlist, an add song button, a next song button, and a way to actually access the setlist editor. One thing that you should note is that LyricPad 3 is playlist driven, same as a music player would be. So when you add songs, they are added to the playlist. Now you can choose, when you add a song, you can choose to move directly to that song, or to add it as the next song, or add it as the end position of the playlist. So let's go to the add song page again. On the right hand side, you can see these three buttons. The top button is add to the next song and play. This button is add as the next song. This button is add to the end song position. So if I select add to the end song position and select a song, you can see it has added it there, but it has not changed to that position. Let's add another song to the end song position. And you can see it is added to the end. If we add to the next song position, you can see it is added to the next song. If we add to the next song position and play, it instantly adds to the next song and changes to that song.